Assalamu alaikum, my sisters and brothers. The world is changing fast. Not randomly, not accidentally, but exactly as the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, told us. The signs of the end are no longer just in books. They are right in front of our eyes. You only need to open them. Let's talk about 5 signs that are already here, not coming, but already unfolding. First, the spread of indecency and shamelessness. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said people would begin to treat zina, music and alcohol as if they were normal. Look around. Filth is no longer hidden, it's celebrated. Songs that were once shameful are now played at weddings. Sins are sold as freedom. Modesty is mocked. And this isn't just local, it's global. Second, time will pass quickly. Days feel like hours, weeks vanish like minutes. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said time would shrink, and it has. You wake up and suddenly it's already Ramadan, and before you know it, it's gone like the wind. Life is moving faster because the end is drawing near. Third, trust will disappear. People say, I can't trust anyone anymore. And it's true. Leaders lie, friends betray, even families turn against each other. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said trust would be lifted from people's hearts. Today, loyalty is rare, and most are chasing only their own gain. Fourth, the construction of tall buildings. He said that Bedouins would compete in building towering structures. Look at Dubai, Riyadh, and Qatar. Deserts turned into kingdoms of skyscrapers, each year building higher. This is not just progress, it's prophecy. Fifth, the blood of Muslims will become cheap. This is the most painful of all. In Palestine, Syria, Yemen, Kashmir, Sudan, our brothers and sisters are being killed while the world stays silent. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said nations would gather against us like wolves around a feast. That's exactly what is happening today. These are not signs to debate, they are signs to wake us up. You are not living in normal times. You are living in the final chapter. Every sign fulfilled is one step closer to the Mahdi, one step closer to Dajjal, one step closer to the day that ends all days. These are not signs we are waiting for. They are signs we are living through. Every prophecy is a reminder that the words of the Prophet, peace be upon him, were not stories. They were warnings. The Mahdi will not arrive to a clean, perfect world. He will come to a broken one, and that broken world is already here. Wake up before it's too late. Clean your heart before the trials grow harder. Connect with the Qur'an before you are lost in confusion. Raise your children upon truth before the lies reach them. And remember, the world is changing fast, but your akhirah is forever.